Okay, this is the second unit that I got from anyway, this is the second unit that I got from a very known member on a GTA forum. Exactly the same, and it's doing the exact same problem. I paid $400 and something for it. So it's hooked up here, red to positive, black to negative. Okay, this valve is turned off. It don't matter at this point, but pretty much you're supposed to be able to turn this blue thing to on and then start it, and does the same thing. It won't stay on. Exactly the same thing as the first unit that I got sent. Second unit with the exact same issue. I haven't been able to run it.